Ready to unlock the full potential of your brand new RBC debit card and start spending? Let's do it. Alright, first things first, grab your shiny new RBC debit card. You'll also need your online banking information handy, or access to the RBC mobile app. If you're using the RBC mobile app, go ahead and open it up and log in using your usual username and password. If you prefer online banking via your computer, you can follow similar steps on the RBC website. Once you're logged in, look for the My Cards section. It's usually located in the main menu or on the account summary page. It might also be labeled Manage Cards depending on the app version. Tap on it. You should now see a list of all your RBC cards. Find the debit card you want to activate. Underneath the card details, you should see an Activate Card button. Tap that button. You'll now be asked to verify some information. The most common verification step is entering the expiry date of your debit card. So, type in the month and year as it appears on the front of your card. After you've entered the expiry date, you'll likely see a confirmation message stating that your card has been successfully activated. Congratulations! As an additional security measure, RBC recommends making a purchase using your PIN at an ATM or point-of-sale terminal. This will further ensure your card is fully functional and associated with your account. Simply insert your debit card into the machine, enter your PIN, and make a small purchase, or even just check your account balance. This final step is essential. And that's it. Your RBC debit card is now fully activated and ready to use. Go out there and enjoy the convenience.